Hi traders, come closer. Here are two frequent questions that pops up in my DM all the time. 1. How can I get rich trading Forex? And 2. How can I start trading Forex with $100? Getting rich or increasing your wealth with Forex trading has more to do with the consistency of your trading results and your account size. Moving forward, the key to building wealth while trading Forex is to keep your average losses low relative to your average profit. That is to say, your profit should be more than your losses. That's what makes you profitable. Here goes the second question. How do I start trading Forex with $100? To trade Forex with $100, you need to trade microlot contracts, which are offered by most brokers. First, compare brokers that are regulated in your country of residence. Open a free demo practice account to learn how trading platform works. You can test your strategy with a virtual balance before placing any real trade. If you want to keep your trading costs down or you are looking for a lower cost trading account option, check out my guide to the best zero spread Forex brokers below. When trading Forex, try to keep your average losses low. In other words, cut your losses short and let your winnings run. You want to be a profitable Forex trader? Head straight to the website probabafx.net. Pick your preferred service, or better still, purchase the book Becoming a Profitable Forex Trader. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.
Probabafx shop for you.